Today, jurors got a timeline of where suspects in the Vanderbilt rape case were the moments before and after the alleged attack. The surveillance video that eventually opened the investigation played in court today, and the defense asked a judge to keep one of the former players charged from testifying. For more on those latest developments, let's get to Channel 4's Haley Mason outside the courtroom. Haley, that hearing, we understand, is still going on right now. What's happening?
It is. Well, right now, the jurors are out of the courtroom. They've been out for about 30 minutes or so now as the attorneys are arguing quite literally about missing elements in that video. And Judge Watkins has just made a ruling on part of that video argument. The defense attorneys, Worrick Robinson and Fletcher Long, have said that the state has not submitted all of the video that they feel is relevant. They say that video is inside the dorm the night of the alleged rape and the morning that followed. Now, the judge just minutes ago said that he will allow those missing clips that the defense says shows the alleged victim and Brandon Vandenberg leaving her apartment before heading to Gillette Hall. This has been the video they've been arguing about in basically every pre-trial hearing, that they thought the state didn't include everything that they needed for their defense. Also, the detective for Vanderbilt has been having a hard time identifying the victim, alleged victim, in some of these clips, and that is another problem that the attorneys have taken issue with. Meanwhile, we see on this tape just how much the defendants were allegedly trying to get rid of evidence and help each other out that morning.
At 3:41:10, Mr. Chris Boyd appears from the area walking towards his room. Mr. Vandenberg also appears from that area. Mr. Retta appears from that area. And all three of them are in the corridor. Mr. Vandenberg has something in his hands.
One of the things in his hand was a towel that they said in that video he placed over the surveillance camera. But meanwhile, one of the other rulings that the judge made is about Jaborian Tip McKenzie testifying. The defense asked that he be excluded completely, saying that he was not on the state's witness list. The state said everyone knew he would be testifying, and the judge said he will be able to testify according to the statements he made previously. Reporting live outside of the Davidson County Criminal Court as this third day of court wraps up. Haley Mason, Channel 4 News.
Haley, thanks so much. We are streaming the trial live on our website, WSMV.com. Keep in mind, we are taking that stream down whenever the alleged victim's name is mentioned. We, of course, want to protect her identity. We also want to warn you some of the details mentioned may be graphic.